Hello guys, in this video I'm going to quickly explain you how to extract a file located within an executable file that we will have here in blob storage using ADF, Azure Functions, and a blob storage. So let's suppose that we have an executable file and we want to, using Azure Data Factory and an Azure function, we want to unpack what is within this executable. So let's imagine that we are debugging this Azure function, and if we are refreshing in our blob, it should appear in 2 seconds. We have this file that was within this executable file. In our case, is with F18 ending, but could be a CSV, it could be a JSON, whatever you have within the executable. What I'm going to do is just give you directly the code that I will attach in the description on entering in my GitHub. So you can try locally this code and you can see that this is working, and later we will insert this into an HTTP trigger. So the HTTP trigger, will perform this Python, will run this Python code, and this will be a way so we don't spend money in virtual machines, as our code is just a simple piece of code from Python. So just 3 considerations before we close this video, and I explain you in another how to create the HTTP trigger. So this is the code that you will see once I give you the GitHub link. 3 things that you will need to change. This is the connection string of your blob storage. In my case, you can retrieve this by going to storage account. You just go to the one that you would like and you go to access keys, and here you have the connection string where you could, I'm not going to show it, but you can copy paste directly. The second thing that you need to change is the container name, in our case in ADF we trust blob. And the third thing is the file that will be within the executable, the ending part. In my case, it's a F18 file that if we open, it's actually a CSV, but if your file ends with CSV or JSON, just change this. With these 3 parameters, if we run it locally, this is working, and it will be just matter now of how to insert this in an HTTP trigger that I will explain in my next video. Thanks for watching.